Okay, so I am going to go over Microsoft Teams and how you can integrate the meetings as live stream sessions. I shouldn't say recordings. I'm not sure if that's going to be something that you're doing or not if you're going to record it, but live stream sessions of your class. You can do this a bunch of different ways. You could do it as an announcement. You could do it as an assignment with no submission, or you can post it as an event on the calendar. They essentially all work the same way. So I'm going to use the event because I believe that is probably the method that is going to be the most effective. So I'm going into September here, and let's say on Wednesday the 2nd, we want to live stream our class. So we could say Microsoft Teams live stream class. And for high school, I mean, maybe you want to put a period that you're live streaming, or maybe you want to put the subject, the time that you're going to start the stream. So I would say I'm just going by the high school, and that would have been about 5th period right there. Location, you could put your room if you want. Now, calendar is important because you may teach several classes. So you want to make sure, if you only have your name here, it's just going to show up for you, and that's silly. So you want to make sure to have the correct calendar, and then you're going to click more options. Now, this is going to look like if you did an announcement or if you decided that you want to do this as an assignment. Again, I'm not sure what principals are going to dictate as far as the live stream sessions, but there may be a certain way they want you to do it, whether it's an event, an announcement, or an assignment. But basically, they're all going to look like this. So, watch and take notes during class. So let's say some instructions, and now we're going to go to external tools, and we're going to click in Teams. Now, I may want you to sign into Teams. I had already signed in to make sure this worked, and actually that did cause me a little bit of a hiccup because it was picking up a different email address that I use for a grad course. So I had to actually make sure everything was signed out from that and then sign in with my school email, and I used the HASD. I'm not sure if that's the one we're supposed to, but it worked. And now I can create my meeting link. So I'm going to want to make sure that my date lines up with what I'm putting in the calendar. So I think it was September 2nd. And I did 10:35 to 11:11. All right, so again, you just want to make sure that that lines up. And then again, we'll hear Microsoft Teams, lives, class. I'll just put 5th period, health. And then I create. So now you can see that the meeting was created. I can copy this and get that posted in there. And now I'm going to go down and make sure that I create the event. The event is saved successfully. And there we go. On September 2nd at 10:35 is the live stream class for my 5th period health class. Now, this will not show up in my module. So if I go into here, we're not going to see this anywhere right here because I didn't make it an assignment and I didn't post it in here at all. But the students will see it in their to-do list. It'll see it coming up on their calendar. Okay, so again, it depends how you want to do it, but event seems to be the most logical way at this point.